Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Date with Faye. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the new INH Hair scarf, and I'm also going to be reviewing the HENNY wig. As always, timestamps are in the description below if you're looking for a specific piece of information. It's there, I got you guys. I bought all of these products with my own money, so I'm not sponsored by INH Hair, and as always, my review is going to be 100% honest. So this is going to be a really short video because it's only one wig and one hair piece, so let's get cracking. First up, I'm going to be reviewing the INH Hair scarf. Now let me tell you, this feels so soft and beautiful. It's this gorgeous satin. Now personally, I have never used a hair scarf in my life, but because INH made it, I was like, girl, I'm gonna try, you know what I'm saying? So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys 4 different ways that you could wear this INH hair scarf. I think that this hairstyle is particularly better if you have longer hair. I can definitely just use the Remy Luxe extensions. Again, I'm not an ad for INH, I swear. I just sound like an ad for things that I really truly do enjoy. You're gonna take this and you're gonna fold it diagonally. So you're gonna bring one corner and now you're gonna have like a triangle. You wanna pull out your front pieces. I'm gonna pull out another front piece. And just to make this easier on me, I'm just gonna put my hair up. So we're gonna take this, put it around our head, and then we are going to tie it. So this is like one way you could wear it. This isn't what I was trying to talk about. So then you're gonna take your bun out and it's half up, half down with this little hair scarf.
Just like tequila, wanna show you why you don't really need her. Why you don't really need her. Never ever meant to.
So I definitely love this look. It kind of reminds me of like a milkmaid. Ooh. So fun fact, I did just rescue a kitty and he's just making a bunch of little noises and playing with my background. So if you see it move or you hear random noises, it's Yoshi. This is a really cute look. I love it. I would say that you could definitely put some pins in the back just to feel further secure, because since it is so satiny, it could slip, you know what I'm saying? So I would just get some pins, put it in the back, make it feel secure. All right, so now let's do look 2. So now with look 2, I'm gonna put my hair half up, half down. I'm just gonna leave a cool little strand, you know, on the front, just because I want to. Once you go half up, half down, this is pretty easy. What you want to do with your scarf is, again, like I said earlier, you're gonna fold it diagonally and you're gonna get a big triangle, so like this. And then you're gonna fold from the top and you're just gonna keep folding until it is just one big line. So it'll look like this. Now this is super easy, but I'll show y'all anyway. You're gonna put it around your base of your ponytail, and then you're gonna tie it up at the top, and that's it.
Money bags, I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend, I need my checks. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, just not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right. Feeling nice, what's the price? Yeah, do not live in twice.
I think this look is really cute and sweet. It's really easy to do, super simple. Now these next looks, you're gonna put your hair into a bun. So the first one is gonna be a high bun. Leave some hair out, because I feel like that's the vibe of using a hair scarf. So we're just gonna do that. And then we're gonna try to put it up in a high bun. Now this is gonna be messy, but here's my messy bun. So again, you're gonna start with this like line. You're gonna put it up and twist. And then you're gonna twist one more. And then you're just gonna tuck it into the sides. And that's how it ends up looking up at the top. This is super easy. It looks like you put effort into your hairstyle, but really you only spent like 20 seconds doing your hair, which is always my kind of vibe.
Need her. Why you don't really need her. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam, every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I I drink like a lie.
Okay, so this last look is pretty much just like the other half up, half down, except we are doing it on a low bun. So I'm just gonna put my whole entire hair back, and I'm gonna do a messy low bun. Here we go. Messy low bun. Again, we're gonna start with a line. Again, similarly to the half up, half down, we're gonna drape it around, and then we are going to tie it once, and that's it. Okay, so personally, I love this scarf so much. I think it's really cute. I would be interested to see more of like muted one, because I feel with this pattern, I can only wear kind of like solid colors, because this is kind of like the main event, you know what I'm saying? But I would love one that I could wear with patterns. So definitely like just like a solid one. Comment down below and let me know which one of the looks is your favorite. So now I'm gonna go and put on the HENNY wig, which is the same as the Jenny and the Penny wig. It's just going to be brown, which I love so much that they came out with a wig that's just like a natural color, because me, I've always wanted to have a little bob with some bangs, so now I can without actually getting my hair cut, which I love. So let's go put that on.
Not overnight, I take my advice. I'm gonna do this right, feeling nice. What's the price? Yeah. Do not live in twice. Yeah. My fam on my spine. Yeah. Green be getting sliced like a lime. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink like a lime.
You guys, I am freaking-cessed with this wig. I think that this literally might be my favorite wig. It's really hard because I love a lot of them near and dearly, but this is definitely my favorite natural looking wig. It literally looks like I got my hair cut. You know, this is pretty close to my hair color. I feel like maybe it's a tad darker. I always feel like my face is not made for bangs, but Henny makes me feel otherwise. Like I'm totally feeling this, and it feels so natural, so guys, just so cute. Honestly, I think that this is definitely my favorite. It also has a ton of clips in it, which if I'm not mistaken, it has more clips than the Jenny and Penny wig. I love when the wigs have a lot of, basically just have a lot of options for you to be even more secure as possible, if that makes sense. But guys, I definitely give this wig a 5 out of 5, and with the scarf, I also give it a 5 out of 5. INH Hair has done it again, you guys. I'm so excited because the next video I'm going to be doing, I believe, is going to be on the hair waver. I'm going to do it on straight hair, I'm going to do it on curly hair, so stay tuned for that video. Definitely have your notifications on because I post sporadically. Sometimes I post more, they're not always at the same time, they're not always at the same day. If you guys found this video informational, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other INH hair hauls right here. I also have a playlist down below. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!
Testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink like a lime.